Hi everyone. So it is another rainy day outside. I had big plans today, y'all, but I'm not going to do it in the rain. And so since I have like a little bit of time, not a lot, I said, you know what you need to do? Go ahead and start your sweet potato slips so that you are not rushing frantically come around mid-January to February with all the other stuff that you have to do. You can go ahead and start this now. And a super incentive that told me I need to start right now is because I went to the grocery store yesterday and they had an abundance of sweet potatoes left and they were 29 cents a pound. So I got some extra ones and I said, go ahead and start them because I just absolutely love baked sweet potatoes. I really do. So what we have today is we have some sweet potatoes. I just have some random little plastic containers that I had in the pantry, and I have some, you can use skewers, you can use whatever you have around the home to hold these sweet potatoes up in your jars or whatever you have. But I actually had some of these clearance candy apple little skewers laying around, and I thought that they would be perfect to hold those sweet potatoes up. So let's go ahead and let's get started, and we're going to start some sweet potato slips. Okay, so I encourage all of you to start some sweet potato slips inside. It's really easy to do. Like I tell people, the only thing you need to remember is you don't want to just like have the whole sweet potato in water. I kind of have my sweet potato half in, half out with a certain level of water. I also like to keep my water nice and clean and just monitor the water level that your sweet potato is in. And after maybe a few weeks, you'll see that roots will begin to form, the sweet potato slips will begin to form, and all you have to do if it's not time to plant them yet, because it really needs to be hot enough for the sweet potatoes to grow. If it's not hot enough yet for you to plant them, then you can pull the roots off and put them down in a cup or a glass of water until it's time and just let it continue to grow. But like I said, I'll keep you posted on the status. So all I'm going to do, y'all, and I'll do that in a minute and let you see, is go ahead and stick these skewers in my sweet potatoes, prop them up, put some water in, and just pretty much monitor them and just leave them alone until it is time. So here we are. We have our sweet potatoes all ready and propped up. And this, like I said, is really easy to start. Just a few quick tips if you want to start your own sweet potato slips. So the first thing you want to do, and I'm trying to pan around because I basically have my sweet potatoes half in, like they're submerged halfway down in the water. So you want to maintain the proper water level at all times. And then you also want to make sure you have clean water, which may mean you'll have to change your water every few days. You don't want like nasty, murky water that starts growing stuff. You don't want that. And then just a reminder, even when you do start to develop the sweet potato slips, sweet potatoes are a warm season crop, so you do not want to plant them out until you know, depending on your zone, until you know that it is going to consistently stay in warm temperatures, because sweet potatoes do not like cold weather. So I hope this encourages you to start your own sweet potato slips. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and also give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share it with your family and your friends. If you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure that you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every single time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.